Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just want to say thank you guys so much for returning back. Thank you guys for subscribing and supporting me. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to get notifications for when I upload. Okay, let's talk about this package that I received. Sorry, I got some paper. Okay, all right. So on the PR list of this company, this cosmetic line, Pretteaface Cosmetics, and she is so sweet. Like, it's like a monthly subscription. So this is what I received. I already opened the package. I was gonna do an unboxing, but I couldn't help myself, so I opened the package. I'm sorry. This is what I received. It's got a little bow up in there, little Christmas bow. It's just so get you in the spirit of Christmas. So she also gave me a card with all of her social handles on there. Yes. So she has an Instagram, Pretteaface Cosmetics. She has a Facebook, Pretteaface Cosmetics Official. Snapchat, Pretty slash face. YouTube, Pretteaface Cosmetics. And her email and everything is on here. I'll make sure to put all of her social handles down in the description box below, so y'all can go follow her and check out the product. Yes, okay, buy some product. I've gotten things from this cosmetic line before, and honestly, I think it's really good quality makeup. So let's just kind of go through what I have in this box. Like, it's so cute. Look at it, y'all. Got some little paper, some little festive paper in here. Okay, get you in the holiday spirit. All right. I also got some bubble wrap. I got a bad problem with bubble wrap, y'all. But yeah, got some bubble wrap up in here. So let's really get down to it. I'm gonna start off with the simple things first. So of course, with this being the Christmas package, I got some hot cocoa, y'all. Some hot cocoa. Okay, and I also got some Santa Claus ears up in here. All right, got a little headband, whatever, you feel me? Okay, so I can get in the Christmas spirit, you know. So yeah, that's what I got in there. So those are the little simple cute things. Like, oh my, y'all, I just feel so special, honestly, for real, because it's like, I love makeup, and not only am I getting makeup, but she sends me a little card. Like, who does that? I got a little card, y'all. I got a card. Not only that, honey, my face is on her, on a little flyer. Like, I feel so special. Like, look at my face, y'all. That's my face on there. That's me. That's your girl. Okay, yeah, but anyways, okay, let's get back on track, shall we? So this is one of the little baggies. It's so cute. I like the packaging. Y'all know I'm crazy for packaging, original packaging. Just, oh, it's another, I got a little candy cane in here, y'all. Like, this is just sweet. Like, oh my god, I just feel so special. Okay, but anyways, got some lip scrub, and I like the fact that she went the extra mile to put this in its own packaging, just in case if we got like a little leak or spill or whatever, it's gonna be in its own little package, so you don't have to worry about getting it. Like, y'all, it's really the little things that count. Like, I pay attention to like the smallest things, which really makes a difference. Like, and she could have just threw the shit in her. Like, she didn't have to do that. And yeah, So I just like that she was thinking that, you know, just in case it spilled, which it didn't. I don't feel that it spilled. Just in case it spilled, like, boom, it's in its own package. So, and it's the, this stuff smells so good. It's a cotton candy lip scrub, and it smells just like cotton candy. Yes, I love it, and I love the color. It matches my hair. I don't know. Okay, but yeah, this stuff smells so good, y'all. Any worse? Yeah. Yes. Love it. But anyways, so yeah, I like the fact that she put this in there, and it doesn't take much, y'all. Like, this is a good amount. Like, it doesn't take much of this scrub, so it's a good amount in there to last a long time. Okay, so let's look at this, which I already opened it, and this is the color that I actually have on. I topped it with my MAC lip gloss. So I put this on first, and I put this over top, and I just line my lips with some with a darker lip pencil. But this is Finesse. Yes, this color is Finesse. It doesn't have a smell to it. I'm always looking for some type of smell or whatever. Now that's just me. It doesn't have to, like, it doesn't really make too much of a difference, but it's just nice to have a nice smell. But this doesn't have a smell to it, which is fine. I don't care. But let's just talk about her packaging. Does this not look like something that deserves to be like on the shelves in Walmart, Target, Sears? Like, look at it. It's just so professional looking, and it's cute. Like, I love that about it. And then it's not a sticker or nothing on here. This is actually on the packaging itself. Like, that's not a sticker. I love that. I love that. So yeah, this is the color that I have on, guys. Okay, get you some Finesse. Yes, okay. So that's one package. And let's see. We got another package, y'all. Got another package in here. And I haven't opened these yet, so yeah, we get to open this together. No, I lied. I did open this one, but I didn't open it fully, if that makes any sense. I partially opened this one, okay? But the lashes that I actually have on are these lashes. This is Candy Paint by Faye. Candy Painted by Faye. Number 39 lashes. And this is her business card. It's so cute. Like, that's really cute. And it has her email. Oh, okay. She got all of her handles on here. She got her Facebook, her Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. What? And she got her phone number. Yes, I love that. Yes. So, get you some lashes. If you guys can see, let me get a little closer so y'all can see these lashes. Cute, right? Super cute. But anyways, yeah, so cute. I love them. Came in handy. Yes. All right. Now let's get to the rest. What's in here? Looks like I have another lippy, and I also have a, looks like a lip gloss. I mean, not a gloss, but a lipstick. So let's just open these together, and we could do swatches. Also, I like this part about hers. It has the ingredients on the little shrink wrap. So that's really cool. I like that. That's more of a professional touch to the product as well. If I can get it open. Jesus. Okay, there you go. Okay, so yeah. Let's do a swatch of this one. And let's see what the, ooh, we got glitter in it. Oh, okay, it's shimmery. Okay. It looks like her. Okay, yeah, okay. So she changed the look. I'm sorry, y'all, but I pay attention to stuff like that. She changed the font. If you could see, I don't know if this one is like just a Christmas special, if that's why it's different, or if this is what she's changing it to like permanently. But if you could see here, let me just screw. Okay, so if you could see right there, you guys, that's how it looks. And this is a different one. All of this came together, but on this one it's silver. You guys can see that silver, like all of the font is one color. And I think I like this one better. But anyways, okay, so let's do a, what is this? No. That's what it's called. It's called No, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. I'm sorry if I got it wrong. Ooh. This one has a smell. It smell like cranberry sauce. Okay, we got some smell up in here. Alright, I see you. Okay, so let's do a swatch. That's how it looks right there. Skirt. Yeah, excuse the other makeup I got on my hand. Just ignore it. That's pretty, y'all. And I like that smell. Okay. This is really cute. And it's for the holidays. Holiday spirit up in here. That's cute. I like that. Also, we got I think the lipstick is the same color. Oh no, this one is sauce. So I wonder if this one's sauce too. Because it just says no, then a dash and a L. Yeah, okay, so this one is just no. And this one is sauce. So let's open this bad boy. And it's got the shrink wrap on it too, you guys, with the ingredients and stuff. Just really nice. It's a really nice touch or finish on it. Oh, Jesus. I mean, this just smells like lipstick, which I always felt like lipstick smelled really good to me. Just smell like lipstick. But this is a nice little cute little package. You can see through it right there, and it's just silver. It's really cute. I like that. It's a cute finish to it. So let's do a swatch right here. Okay. Okay, about the same color. Yeah. Yes. Come through. So sauce and no. Sauce and no. And we have the lashes, of course, which I am wearing. And I'll make sure to put Faye. This lashes candy painted by Faye. I'll put those. I put her links down below so you guys could shop with her as well. So basically that's what this video was about. I was just opening and reviewing my PR items from Pretteaface Cosmetics, and I really do appreciate this, and I really do appreciate you guys coming back to watch my videos and supporting me and subscribing. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.